Good morning, guys. I am watching Let's Do Makeup live, but let me turn it down a little bit so I can vlog. I'm about to make me a coffee. I kind of want the smoothie that I made the other day, so I think that's what I'm gonna make today. Today, guys, they announced here that, you know, all the casinos are closing, bars, restaurants, any non-essential, you know, place is closing, like any business, which kind of sucks, you guys, because a lot of people are losing their jobs. You know, me and Jesus are losing accounts as well, so that kind of sucks, you know. It's actually really scary because, like, hello, how are we gonna pay bills, you know? Yeah, my merch gets here today too, and it's kind of sad, you know, that my merch gets here today, you know, with everything that's going on. Are you guys like me? I always smell the licuadora. I have no idea why, but I don't know, I always have to smell it. So same old, you guys. I'm gonna be using Café Bustelo to make my coffee this morning. Let me know if you're a coffee person, if you're a tea person. Let me know if you guys are in quarantine. What are you guys gonna do? Let me know, I'm curious. Liam is awake already. He had his first bottle of the morning, well, from my shift, because Jesus takes care of him the entire night, but he had a bottle already. What are you doing with your lips? What are you doing? He's so cute. This shirt no le quedaba because it's 9 months y luego ya le queda, and I think que se me pasó. So he has that with his little boots. To be honest, I don't really change Liam into like super fancy clothes because he's, you know, tiny right now. Diles mama. Papi, mama. 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 He likes that word. When he gets mad, he screams at me, mama. 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 You guys, to be honest, this little boy here has an attitude. Oh my god, he has such a bad attitude. Like, I know he looks like a little angel, you guys, but se la pasa llorando, se la pasa gritando. He always mad. Like, something is wrong with him. Yes, I'm talking about you. Okay, guys, let me turn down this a little bit. Hello there, baby girl. Vamos a apagarla tantito. So here is my cup. I know banana is technically not keto, like I get that, but I'm not gonna stop eating sugar like all at once because it has been affecting me, believe it or not. But let's be honest, you guys, I've been doing keto for 3 days, right? And I'm gonna be honest with you guys, I know my glasses are like hella dirty. Get your life together, girl. I've been doing keto for 3 days and it has definitely like impacted me. I want to say I'm not as constipated anymore as I normally am, which is a good thing. And then second thing that I've noticed is I've noticed like my pooch like more aguado, and I feel like it's because I'm definitely losing weight. I did weigh myself at the first day that I did keto, and then I'm also going to weigh myself in a week from now. So once I hit what, like the 7-8 mark, I'm gonna weigh myself and I'm gonna show you guys all of that. I love my carbs, you know, I love my pan, my tortillas, and I haven't been having that. So I have a cup of ice here, I have some cinnamon, and I have 3 little chunks of banana, frozen banana too. So that's literally the sugar that I'm having for the day. So I have it here, and then I have my coffee here. I'm gonna go ahead and stop it, and it's just iced coffee, and it's not a lot as you can see. So I'm gonna go ahead and throw this in here, and I'm gonna go ahead and blend this out. So that's iced coffee, and this is espresso, by the way. The bananas, the ice, and a little bit of cinnamon. So I don't know if you guys can see, but it's pretty thick. And that's exactly how I wanted it. Yesterday when I did it, it was a little bit more runnier, but I like it thick like this. So it's almost like a coffee, frappuccino, smoothie, whatever, slash banana. And it tastes so good, you guys. It satisfies my cravings in the morning. It gives me energy, and it fills me up really. So ya lo eché en el cup, and to be honest, I don't know if you guys saw, but I didn't put any type of creamer or any milk. So good, it's strong, it's bomb. I recommend you guys all try this. And if you're not keto, try it for sure, you know? I think Liam wants a nap. Like, I really do feel like he needs a nap. Like now. Because I need to clean. Are you gonna knock out or what? Are you gonna knock out? Or are you not gonna knock out? Tomorrow Liam turns 4 freaking months. I am so excited because he is finally going to try solids. I'm gonna try, yes, I'm gonna try and give you a little bit of carrot. You don't like carrot, or you want a little cereal? What do you want? Say mama. He loves that word. You see how he smiles? Mama. Yeah, mama. You want to get a little nappy? You want to get a little nappy, or you don't want to get a little nappy? You want to get a little diaper change? No, you don't have poo-poo or pee-pee. You good. You good, boys. Give mommy a little kissy. Say mama. Mwah. Hachi. No? You don't want to? I'm gonna go ahead and take my vitamins for my hair because, yeah, my hair falls a ton. It's 2 little vitamins. I'm pretty sure you guys saw, obviously, yesterday's vlog, and you guys saw that we are wanting to adopt another dog. Hold on. Where? You're tired? You sleepy? Or you're not sleepy? Let's sit here with your friends, yeah? So I'm sure you guys are questioning, like, what happened to the dog that we were trying to adopt. We found 3 that we really liked. I believe one of them, I called this morning, and one of them got sent back to his owner. And then the other 2, me and Jesus really want to go, you know, have time, play with the dogs or whatever. And the reason why we want a big dog is, 1, because I've always said it, I don't know why I think that if big dogs are in the pound, is it the pound? No. I feel like if big dogs are in the animal shelter for too long, then they're going to kill them, you know, like they're going to put them to sleep. So I really want, you know, to help another dog, just like we did Chata, adopt another dog and, you know, give him a better life, a better home. Second reason why we want to adopt is because we want Chatita to have a little play date, you know, have somebody to play with. I feel like now that we have Liam with us, I feel like we kind of, I don't want to say we stopped giving her attention, because I mean we still give her attention, but it's definitely gone down. And I feel like, I mean, that's normal, you know. We work a lot, we have our own lives going on, you know. We have Liam now, which is a handful. So we really don't have time anymore to like play with Chata like we used to before. So we really want to get her a little, you know, a little friend. And I also want to get Liam a little friend. I don't know how long Chata's going to last. Like, I don't know, you know, how much life she has, because like I said, she has a lot of problems. She has a lot of medical conditions, so we are kind of scared, you know. You guys, tell me that I don't have the best neighbors in the entire world. Our neighbors bought us this ring. It's like a camera for like the garage, like the front area. We have cameras like around the house, but we don't have one. We don't have one right in the front of the garage, so this is gonna be perfect. We went last night over to his house, and then he was like, "This is an early birthday gift."
Look what I found.
What?
Currency.
What? Oh my god.
Out of the garage, and it's freshly.
Woohoo! Oh my god.
Woo-hoo.
when you find masks and
Masks
wipes.
and clothes wipes. It's an old one. It's gonna have to.
That's crazy.
But it smells a lot like
go.
it's strong.
Should we take that? In case we need a carrito?
Keep it on the car. Let's keep it on the car.
I was gonna take 3 masks so we can keep in the car. One for me, one for you, one for your mom.
Yeah.
Just in case. I was telling them how our neighbor gifted that to us.
No.
Like, what do you think?
They give us the ring. Look. We gotta be more protected than ever. We have everywhere in the back, right here, but we don't have like in the front.
Yeah.
Now with ring. Damn, this one's a nice one.
Can you put it in my phone?
What?
Can you put it in my
Yeah,
phone?
I'll put it in your phone right now.
That's crazy.
Oh, yeah. See, we got this, we got this, we get the mask. Woo, we're
We're
good.
protected. Okay, vamos.
I'll be walking with my clothes wiped like this.
Where you're trying to make
Like,
chisteros.
touching some. See?
Oh no, crazy ass. Baby woke up.
Yeah, your mom has
Yeah,
for right
let's
now,
go.
so we can go to the store.
Yeah. Well, we're gonna go hunting because. You know.
Okay, I'll see you right now in the store.
Guys, miren esto, oh my god. Everything is empty. Oh my god. And we literally have like no food at home. Oh my gosh. ¿Qué vamos a hacer? Guys, what are we gonna do? There's nothing to eat. Oh my god. We just got out of the store and it was empty, as you guys saw.
Yeah.
There's nothing. No meat, no chicken, no nothing. So yeah, I think I'm gonna quit keto until we find food. Because obviously I'm gonna eat beans, and rice and whatever we have at home. So even though that's not keto, I'm gonna have to put a pause to that. Gotta get up, stop wasting time. Yeah, I wanna run off and fly. And I'll tell myself it's fine to be alone. Just to find somewhere that finally feels like home.
Música sabe bien.
Guys, Mandalay Bay closed. All the casinos closed.
Yep.
This is Las Vegas Boulevard, which is
That's
closed.
true.
Yeah. Oh my god.
I mean,
those people are trying to get virus.
there's usually like big ass lines,
okay, there's a Las Vegas sign.
like 30-minute lines. So right now it's like 2 families only,
Yeah, it's like 2 families right there, but
Usually it's like the line all the way to here. Liam and mom.
Are you grabándome?
What are you guys doing there?
I'm trying to snap with Liam, but Liam is...
He's looking at daddy.
He's looking at
Are you
daddy.
looking at daddy, papa?
Doesn't he look like he has salchicha legs?
He got no salchicha, nothing.
Look at you, a little boy.
Papa!
You're my little prince. You're my little prince.
Ay, ese gordo, el gordo.
You're my little...
Gordito. No, mommy, don't kiss me, mommy, don't kiss me.
You're mine. You're mine, little boy.
Well, Tanya having fun with the baby. Trying to build this
We're gonna take a little nappy. Ah!
ring.
We're gonna take a little
Stay protected. Look at this boy. He's so happy because I just changed his diaper. The diaper was not good. Yeah, throw that away. Papa, now you happy, Papa? Now you so happy because you clean her, Papa? Oh, me Papa is so happy. Let me see, Papa. We need some. Yeah, put your little pantuflitas, Papa. Yeah, put your little pantuflitas, Papa.
Guys, so as you guys saw, the stores were empty. So I'm literally making liver because it's the only thing I found. But it's actually really good because I put chipotle peppers, cebolla. I know it looks kind of burnt, but I like it really, really cooked. But I'm making liver, and then I'm also making beans because literally that's the only thing we found. So freaking crazy to me, you guys. You guys saw the stores, they were hella empty. Like, what the heck?
How's it going?
Where's that?
Amazon?
Amazon?
Yeah.
For me?
¿Qué compraste?
No sé. I didn't order anything though.
Yeah, nothing.
Oh my god.
Let me find the
What is it?
This
Oh,
is Liam's
hell
stuff. I
no.
don't think Liam's ordering his own stuff on Amazon.
So I ordered these cucharitas off of Amazon for Liam, but damn, they took forever. I ordered these a long time ago.
Yeah, like 2 days ago?
No, before the quarantine even
I don't
happened.
think I know you.
I swear. Yeah, so you guys, Liam starts eating solids tomorrow, so stay tuned for that. Oh, you guys are obviously going to see this vlog before, so let me know, is this bad for babies? Like the cereal thing? Because I've heard like mixed opinions on that, and I don't want to give him this yet, and just in case of an emergency. But I'm gonna make his food. I have everything right here, and I needed little spoons for him, so. Babe, ¿por qué me piqueaste? I recorded it.
Nada que ver. Te cae sola. Papi, tu mami se cae sola, papi. Tu papi, tu mami.
Go! Okay, so we have come to the end of today's vlog. If you liked it, don't forget to give us a big thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't done so already. Tuned for tomorrow's vlog and the one after that, because one of them we receive our merch. The next one is Liam eating solids for the first time. You do not want to miss his reaction or ours, so stay tuned for that. And we will catch you guys in the next one.